How to live stream using your phone's camera in OBS Studio. Hi, I'm Paulo Cesar, a support specialist at JMV Technology. Today, I'll show you how to live stream using your phone's camera in OBS Studio. We'll use the IRIAM webcam app, which turns your phone into a webcam for recordings and live streams in OBS Studio. First, visit iriam.com and download the version for your operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux. You'll also need to download the IRIAM webcam app on your phone. After downloading, open the program on your computer and the app on your phone. Make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. That's it. Now your phone is projected on your computer. Let's add this to OBS Studio. To add IRIAM to OBS Studio, click Add Source and select IRIAM Webcam. Now your phone's camera should appear in OBS Studio, ready for recording and streaming. Pro tip: in the IRIAM app, you can switch between front and rear cameras as needed. Now that you know how to stream with your phone, check out JMV Technology's live streaming service. It lets you broadcast to multiple social networks at once from a single source. For more info, scan the QR code on the screen. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you next time.